Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be installing and swapping the breather hoses for these silicone hoses. I've got a set by Twinz Motorsport here. I'll put a link to these in the description. So let's flip over to the car and crack on with installing these. But before, consider hitting that subscribe button and leaving a like as well. Now let's crack on. So most of you guys will be aware that these breather hoses here on the rocker cover, they've got a tendency to become brittle and break and crack and everything else. So like I say, I'm going to replace them with these silicone hoses and hopefully they'll be a bit better. So let's just take them off and swap them over. Now this hose just like that. Get your new one. Oh, that goes on there a bit too easy. If you ask me, that's a bit too easy. Yes. But it's just a breather hose. Then you've got this piece here, which this bit clearly is a bit bigger, so you might have to cut it back. I'm going to fit it as is and see what happens. So I'm going to carefully take this one off as well now. Try not to break it. You just got to try and get this little piece out just here. Reinsert into there. Okay, I don't know if you guys see that, but that just sits over there like that. These are too big. Yeah, they're too. I know they're breather hoses, but I don't think they're meant to be that much play. Maybe it'll be a matter of just contact them, let them know the diameters and dimensions and everything, so they can maybe adjust these parts. But like I said, I will put a link to these in the description down below if you want to get some as well. They do black, red and blue, so they look quite smart. They'll tidy up the engine bay a little bit better. So I went indoors. I've given the guys a quick email over at Twinz Motorsports and explained the situation to them and what was going on, and they were more than happy to help rectify the problem. So what I done was I supplied them with the measurements for the original parts, the internal diameters of each hose, of the original parts, and guess what? Quite shockingly, but nice, and it's really good of them to do this, 2 days, and guess they've gone and done. I've got some replacements brilliant, the right size. Can't fault them enough. But look, in purple, they've done it in purple, every part. Okay, but that's not all they sent me. Quite surprisingly, the guys are that apologetic for the you know, the issues, should we say, that they sent me out a few bits as well. They sent me out a hat, so I'll be wearing that. I'll put it on now. Face mask, I won't need to wear that at the moment. And they sent me out some stickers and some keychains with the same purple logo on it, and a few key rings. So what I'll do with these, I'll probably do something with them, like I'll give them away to a few guys. In the description there'll be a link to their Facebook page, their Instagram page, and also a link to the item number for these over on eBay as well. So go over there, tell them I sent you over, and they'll be more than happy to make them up. On eBay they just advertise it currently black, red and blue, and I asked them on the off chance maybe purple. Showed them the picture of the car, and yeah, look what's happened. So, and I've got some bits out of it. Weren't expecting that. It was a nice little touch. Anyway, I've rabbited on enough. Can't thank these guys enough over at Twinz Motorsports for doing this. Really appreciate it. So I'm going to install these now. Install the front one and the rear one. Let's just crack on. Let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the camera running in real time so you can see how quick this front one is to change. Bear in mind I have already changed that, but it's coming off. Putting the new purple one on. Take the elbow off. Let's zoom out. Yep. This is the part I gave them the measurements for, to get these bits to fit. Oh, that's a lot nicer. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Would that take less than a minute? And they're a lot nicer. I like that. I might do something with this. It's a bit of plastic. Maybe paint it silver or something. Let's do the rear one, which is a bit more fiddlier because it's over the back. You've got to remove a few bits to do it. So I'm going to move the camera and crack on with that bit. So the rear one is just below this rocker cover here. So I'm going to have to remove this hose here, this hose here, and there's a couple of 8mm bolts holding this vacuum part on here. So we're going to have to remove that, and it should give us enough hand space to get the job done. way, and you can see this hose here. Okay, and this is the one you need to get the other part off of. Remove that, tuck it out of the way. And that's off. Bit fiddly, but doable. I need to crack the seal on it. New one, straight on. This is going to be the fiddly bit, trying to get it back on. And that's it. Put everything back together. And job done. So there you go, there's the front ones in. The back one is in, it's just down the back there, you can't really see it. Shine a bit of light, you can just about work it out where it's sitting. See it? You can just about work it out, but it is in there. Not as bad as I thought to get it in there. But they do look really smart, really pleased with them. The fact that the guys have done it in purple for us. So the fact that guys have managed to do them in purple for us has been amazing. Put a bit of light on in there because I'm in the garage. There is, however, one last thing I want to do, and I want to put one of the stickers, or a couple of the stickers, on the car somewhere. I'm thinking on the front window, or maybe the back window somewhere where people can see, and maybe one in the engine bay when it's all painted. So, because I'm repainting that. Let's crack on, whack a sticker on. I'm gonna stick it roughly here. And there's the Twinz Motorsport sticker, all in place with Project ST220 underneath it. So I want to shout a huge thanks to the guys for sorting this lot out for us. Okay, I really didn't expect that sort of response from just giving them a bit of feedback, and the response I've got from them is amazing. You know, the hat, all the freebies, unexpected but much appreciated. I really do appreciate it. So if you guys want this sort of stuff, like I said, the links are in the description down below to their Facebook page and their Instagram page. Just let them know I sent you over and they'll sort you out. And for now, thanks again to the guys over at Twinz Motorsports. So all sorted, another little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, bye for now.